Do you have a dream? Of course you do. It's known around the world as the American dream. It's a dream where men and women find peace and safety and prosperity. It's a dream where people of every race and creed and color and culture live and work together to build this great nation. Though I'm technically Canadian, I see myself as American, like you. But Americans have lost their way. Intolerance, internal strife, hatred, and war have made us smaller, as do false flags, corporate greed, entitlement, and gram-worthy selfies. These are not the wisps and wonders of dreams, but of nightmares. A reality TV show of drugs, debauchery, and violence. The rest of the world is wondering, what buffoonery will America come up with next? Do you want to save America? Wars in faraway lands deplete our children and our bank accounts. Corporate dishonesty steals our money and our jobs. Corruption pulses through the halls of government. Children, veterans, and seniors go hungry and suffer the cold of winter. As long as there's suffering, there's work to be done. We must build, repair, and maintain our communities. My dream is that one day we'll put down our assault rifles and smartphones. With free hands, we'll pick up our tools. With free minds, we'll pick up new skills. With these skills, we'll repair our electricity, our water, and our air conditioning. My dream is that men and women will work in unity, drink a beer, and be free from fear. My dream is that we will find courageous honesty to be vulnerable with one another and to work side by side, hand in hand, to push back the darkness in this world. In my dream, there are more tradespeople than soldiers who will be honored by all Americans just the same. Will you dream with me?